Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And we are back. I am doing another quick weave on my head. Y'all see? Okay, look at the bob. It held up for a good little minute. But it's time to come down, okay? It's time to come down. So I'm using that bond release gel jam. I don't know what it's called. Y'all see me put it on the screen. But I'm using that to take out this quick weave. And I'm gonna tell y'all now, I am so nervous because the way y'all seen the way I laid them tracks on my edges and glued down the side. That has just been, baby, the whole 4 weeks. That's all I've been thinking about. So guess what? I put that on there, let that sit, and I said, okay, I'm gonna come back. Bam, I came back, but listen, I pulled out a little bit of my edges, Lord. Y'all seen it? just a little bit, not too much, but it's okay. I said I can grow them back. I take my hair out than somebody else. I don't know. Okay, so this is the hair that we're using. I just got it from my local beauty supply store. So this time I'm really focused on how I am going to apply the stocking cap. So I decided to use the little ball cap method that the girls be using when they be doing their lace wigs. And I said, okay, we're going to do that here. I cut out my little ears, outlined it, and then I'm going to apply the mold glue. The mold, the little black stuff that I put on there to make it hard to protect my hair. I'm going to apply that on top of the stocking cap. And then I wanted to sew it down, but of course, y'all know me. I waited to the last minute, so I'm pressed for time, honey. It's late Friday night, and my baby got a game in the morning, so I'm ready to lay down. So, I'm pressed for time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on there, let that dry, and then I'm going to lay my tracks and then cut the excess stocking cap off. We're going to see if that work. Okay? I got no new blow dryer, honey. I didn't think about it. I ain't had the kind that I had before, but this works pretty fine. I got the new blow dryer with the brush on the end, and you can take the brush off like I'm using it. And it works just fine. I was like, okay, I like it. Ain't got the job done, baby. My little mold was hard. So yeah, I got me a little 14. Is that 14? Yep, I think I did a 14 and 12. And this is the style we're doing. We're doing a middle part and we're doing a layered face, if that makes sense. I want to call it a woofy bang, but I know that's not what it's called. But that's what I want to call it, honey. A woofy bang, because I feel like a little wolf, because it's going to be layered on my face. Wait, wolves don't roar. What they do? Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. That's what I feel like I want to call it, okay? That's what I want to call it. So as y'all can see, I'm laying my tracks. And after doing this hairstyle, I see now that I need to invest in one of those little things where you can see the back of your head, okay? I need to invest in one of those. Because I can't see nothing, and I was just feeling my way through, okay? And I mean, I was doing what I needed to do, but I would have been a whole lot better if I could see back there. So I'm just going in, laying my tracks the best way I can, honey. Feeling, making sure I got them kind of spaced kind of pretty good, not too close, not too far apart, not really gappy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it, and I'm doing it well. Look at me now. Watch out now. Like I said, I'm going to go back and cut the stocking cap off. We're going to see if that helps rather than me using glue to also hold it down as well. Because I feel like with the hold on there and the tracks on top, the stocking cap ain't going to go nowhere. The excess glue around the edges was unnecessary. But you know what? I'm learning, okay? And bam, I got all my tracks in my head now, y'all. So I left a lot of leave out at the top. And what I'm going in now is just taking little pieces of track and I'm placing it at the top because I left a whole lot of leave out, y'all. I did not try to, but I feel like I did. But I already had my braid down done. So it's whatever. Boom. Look, okay, we in there. Y'all see me? Okay, now I'm parting off my hair so I can get ready to get those layers cut in the front part. So I went on YouTube and the girl has told me to angle down and pull away from my head. Look at me. I had to build up my confidence to go ahead to act like I was cutting. Here we go. I'm going to cut it, though, because you know what? Tierra can do it. And I did it. Look at me. Girl, I did it. I'm going in there trying to pull my head away, making sure we get it done. I also brought this little razor thing, and baby, it was pointless. It didn't do nothing. I don't know if it wasn't a good kind or whatever, but it just wasn't it. And to be honest, I cut way better holding my hand like this. I thought it was going to be real weird, but y'all see how it's forming. Y'all see the little layer look I'm going for. It's coming. So after I got that side, I gained some confidence, and I was like, let me go back and do the other side too. Turn me up. Anyway, let me go ahead and do the other side too. So I went ahead and I'm just going ahead pulling my hair away as I'm bringing the scissors down. And y'all see, we getting a little layer, something going. Look, and then I got real fancy. I was like, okay, let me turn the scissors the other way. I got real confident then, y'all. Real confident. Okay, and then now I'm just cleaning up the ends, making sure they're even. I'm bringing the hair from the back to the front, cleaning it up as well, trying to make sure I'm keeping the same length on both sides. And I am just like clipping away. That's what I was doing there. I was just snipping, 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 snipping. Hey, y'all see, I look like a little wolf. Y'all see, look at the little wolfie. Wolf. And this, it's not a wolf bang. I know it's not, but y'all get what it is. You know, I'm layered. I'm layered. They're there. They're there. Yeah, so I would have definitely like placed the hair just a little bit differently, so that I would have placed my tracks more angled up, so that you can really see that layered effect. But hey, for my first time, they in there. They in there. Okay. Check me out. I'm getting good at this, y'all. I'm getting good at this. But let me say something. I'm ready to braid my hair up. But bam, this was the final look. And this was like even a couple days before I took it down, because y'all know I had waited a long time before I posted this video. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, doing my little quick weaves, and my weaves made me realize I missed my braids. So yeah, I'm about to get this hair braided back up. But thanks y'all for watching.